Bravo!
Hey there, how's it going? Fun here. Years ago I thought to myself, cars are great, motorbikes are great, but wouldn't it be lovely to combine the best of both into one vehicle? Tilting like a motorbike, but stable like a car. So the following video is the story of me researching these things, learning about these things, learning how to weld. Also, there are many ways you can do a tilting three-wheeler. You can have two wheels at the front or at the back, and there are many different mechanisms you could use to do it. So after a long time, a lot of blood, sweat and tears, here you go, this is it finished, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Here's what my little electric pink scooter looks like before I've taken it apart or made any modifications. Obviously I'm hoping to convert this into a tilting electric three-wheeler. Here is the deconstruction of the pink bicycle scooter. So far there's the seat, various bits of metal coverings, back wheel, two batteries, and that's the story so far. Well, there's the pink bicycle scooter. Fully dismantled, all that's left is to do some cutting. It was a damn shame breaking it apart because it was a working and fun piece of equipment. I'd better be successful with this blooming Trike project. But this vehicle wasn't powerful enough to go up any hills, so in terms of actual transport she wasn't actually useful. Only a little bit of blood, sweat and tears, not too much. Quick vid, here we go at the welding table, which just happens to be the right size, 90 centimeters by 25 centimeters. Well, it's actually going to be 24 centimeters, but it's just big enough to fit on. So about to start welding, let's hope this goes well. There we go, onwards and upwards. Quick vid to let you know where I'm up to. Having chopped the pink bicycle in pieces, there's the front steering bit. Here's the back powered bit, and I believe that my biggest challenge is to stick this back powered piece onto the front steering piece. 2 hours of welding later, the back is welded onto the front. As usual, not very tidily, in fact a bit untidily. Here's a little glance at the back. I'm going to check again tomorrow, see can I get any extra welding over it, but for now I'm going to leave it at that. And when that's all put together, it looks something like this. Obviously at the moment it's just lying on the floor, but just to give you an idea. A lot of work to get to that point, but coming along well. Quick look at the story so far. 3 separate sections, back, centre and front. All welded individually, but none of them are welded together. And who knows, it may end up looking something a little bit like that. So I started this project in the summer. It's nearly Christmas now. Months later, here we are with the tilting trike virtually finished. A lot of trouble with a blue speed controller. I touched the wrong wire and had to buy a new speed controller. There it is. But this now is just about more or less finished. Very happy with the final results. Here we are with the finished electric trike with the seat attached. And as far as I'm aware, all I need to do now is take this baby out on a test drive, which I'm really looking forward to. Hey there, how's it going? So here we are, believe it or not, with the finished tilting electric trike. The seat. So I'm just going to sit on a coat, but here we go with day one of the finished triking.
Super Trike!
Yay! Woohoo! Yay!
Yay! Bravo! So that's fun. Heading off towards the sunset.
Heading off into the sunset
Bye, fun.
with baby's red handbag. Yay!
Yay. Bye, baby.
Bye, baby.
Bye, love. Bye, baby.
Yay! Woohoo! Yay! And here's Olga. Hi, baby.
Hi, love.
Yay! Indeed. He's enjoying that.
Yes, yeah.
Woohoo!
Super.
Yay! Here's my wife Olga.
Hi,
Hi, baby.
Hi, love.
Super Trike.
I'm on Super Trike. Yay.
Yay! Woohoo! On lovely Greek beach. Yay! Hey there, in the last vid the seat wasn't attached even though it was working, so here we are with a little indoor vid just to prove it all works perfectly with the seat. Here we go, yay! So there we go, thanks very much for watching, see you on the next vid, cheers, bye.